1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello everybody. So today we're going to try this Crockpot Pulled Pork seasoning mix. Another one of these finds that I found at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to give it a try. You need a 3-pound pork roast. Mine's not quite 3 pounds, but that's okay. 1 package of this, half a cup of ketchup. So actually I'm just going to kind of do these while we're talking about it. We need half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of ketchup. Stick that over the side. Doesn't say if it needs to be packed brown sugar or not, so I'm just going to assume it doesn't. Because there's brown sugar in, yes, I know, I'm adding all that, okay, don't judge. Because it says there's brown sugar in the packet. So why I had to add extra brown sugar, I don't know. So this better not be really, really sweet. And then half a cup of ketchup. I'm just mixing it in the crock pot for less mess. There we go. Okay, and then we need 1 cup of water. Pumpkin. He's right in the Lazy Susan. Okay, so we need 1 cup of water and 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. In she goes. I'm gonna have to try and dig my cat out of the Lazy Susan, I have a feeling. Okay, we're gonna stir this together. I don't want that spoon. I'll use this spoon. Oh, that smells good. Okay, anyway. Anyone else do that? They smell everything before they put it in? Can't be the only one. Okay. Now, I see you. Get out from there. We're going to add our roast. Oh great, I think he's stuck. Okay, be right back. Okay, now that I have dug the cat out of the Susan, the Lazy Susan there. Now it says just to cook until done kind of thing, like 4 hours, you know, the typical. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook this on low all day. It's going to give a little swooshy poo. But we're going to cook this on low all day, and we'll be back when she's done. All right, so it's been cooking for multiple hours now, because I don't remember when I put it in. I think it was like, I want to say it was 9 o'clock this morning, and it's now 3 o'clock. But now I can shred it. Ooh, we got a big hunk of fat there. Just gonna get rid of that fat. I don't think anyone wants to eat that. Not a sandwich anyway. No one wants to eat a big hunk of fat. especially slow cooked fat. But it smells really, really good. It does smell super sweet. So I am just slightly nervous about that. But I got thinking, everything that they had us add in here is literally just a barbecue sauce. I think I got, well, no I didn't. I thought I got all the fat. Here's another piece of fat. Actually, oh. Some fat's not bad on a sandwich, but like, you know, nobody wants to take a chunk and then it's like, nom, 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 nom. Okay. I'd say I'd just set this aside and give it to my dog with her dinner tonight. But just because of the sugar in it, I'm not going to. Ooh. I know some people would. But our girl is 11. I think she's 11 years old now. She doesn't need that kind of stuff. All right. So now we're going to let that marinate up. Goodness. Apparently I should have pulled the fat off of this thing before cooking it, but then you wouldn't get the flavor from the fat. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is there's that little bit, there we go. Okay. Sorry, as my hands are getting numb. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let this cook for about another hour or so. Just so that way everything is nicely cooked. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to have the lid sideways, just so that way the steam can come out and it won't make it any more watered down than when it is. So I definitely, like, I knew I didn't have 3 pounds there. So I think if you had 3 pounds, it would be like the perfect amount of sauce versus meat ratio. It's okay. It'll be good. It'll just be saucy. Very saucy. Okay, so we'll be back. Split second for you. About an hour or two for me. Now that I have the memory card in that camera, can't believe I did that. But anyway, it's all done. I'm just going to turn it off. I'm going to let this cool for a while, make a sandwich out of it, and have my dinner. But let's pull some out here. And I have my gang with me. Pumpkin's at my feet, and Simba was there too. Okay. Oh, it's sweet. It's good, but it's sweet. Oh! Excuse me. Probably everybody else will really like this. That's just a little too sweet for my liking. Hopefully maybe once I put it in a bun and all that stuff, maybe it won't be so bad. But it's good. It's just a little too sweet for me. Okay. So I'm gonna let this cool down, make a sandwich, have my dinner. And I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll be back again soon. Bye.